have something very exciting to share with you, the much-awaited OnePlus Nord CE 4. This phone has been creating a lot of buzz, and we are here to dive deep into its features, performance, and everything in between. So, if you're curious about this new device, stick around because we're going to cover it all in detail. Let's get started. OnePlus has been known for delivering high-quality smartphones that strike a balance between performance and price. The OnePlus Nord CE 4 is no different. This phone has been eagerly anticipated by fans and tech enthusiasts alike, and for good reason. On paper, this device looks very promising. Let's begin with an overview of its standout features. Robust charging capability. One of the first things that catches the eye is the phone's powerful charging system. With a 100W charger included in the box, OnePlus promises rapid charging speeds that will keep you powered up throughout the day. Sleek design. The Nord CE 4 boasts a sleek and stylish design. It comes in two color variants, dark chrome and gloss gray. Both these colors give the phone a premium look. Performance. With a high-performance chipset and ample RAM, this phone is geared to handle everything from daily tasks to intense gaming sessions. Let's talk about the design and build of the OnePlus Nord CE 4. Color variants. As mentioned, the phone is available in dark chrome and gloss gray. The gloss gray variant, which we have here, features a polycarbonate back with a gloss finish. While it looks premium, the glossy finish does attract fingerprints, but the colors help in masking them to some extent. Form factor. The phone feels slim and elongated in hand, which provides a good grip. Despite its size, it feels comfortable to hold and use. Material. The back and frame of the phone are made of polycarbonate, which keeps the phone lightweight. However, the build quality is solid, and it doesn't feel cheap. One of the highlights of the design is its simplicity. The phone has a minimalist design that looks elegant. The bezels are minimal, giving it a modern look. Now, moving on to the display, a crucial aspect for any smartphone user. Screen size and quality. The Nord CE 4 features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display. This display technology is known for its vibrant colors and deep blacks. Refresh rate. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth. PWM dimming. With 2160 Hz PWM dimming, the display reduces flicker, making it easier on the eyes, especially during extended usage. Screen-to-body ratio. The phone has an impressive 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, providing an immersive viewing experience. The bezels are very thin, even the chin at the bottom is minimal. HDR10 Plus certification. The display is HDR10 Plus certified, meaning it can display HDR content with better color accuracy and contrast. Watching videos on this screen is a delightful experience. Overall, the display on the OnePlus Nord CE 4 is one of its strong points. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just browsing, the screen quality is top-notch. The OnePlus Nord CE 4 comes in a sleek black box. Here's what you get inside. Stickers. Fun OnePlus stickers that you can use to personalize your phone or other belongings. Quick guide and safety guide. These guides provide basic information about the phone and safety instructions. Member card. A card that signifies you are now a part of the OnePlus community. Silicone case. A clear silicone case that offers decent protection and lets you show off the phone's design. 100W charger. This charger is quite substantial, almost like a brick. But it promises super fast charging, which is a huge plus. USB Type-C cable. A red Type-C cable, which is a signature of OnePlus. The unboxing experience is quite premium, and OnePlus has included all the essentials to get you started right out of the box. Let us talk about the actual user experience of the OnePlus Nord CE4. Chipset and RAM. The phone is powered by a high-end chipset and comes with ample RAM options. This ensures that the phone can handle multitasking, gaming, and other intensive tasks with ease. Gaming on this phone is a joy. With its powerful GPU and high refresh rate display, games run smoothly and look great. There's no noticeable lag or stutter, even with graphics-intensive games. Software. It runs on Oxygen OS, which is known for its clean and smooth interface. The software is fast, responsive, and comes with useful features without being cluttered. Camera. Rear camera setup. The phone features a versatile camera setup on the back, which includes a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a macro lens. This setup allows you to capture detailed and vibrant photos in various conditions. Front camera. The front camera also performs well, providing clear and sharp selfies. Camera features. The camera app is loaded with features like night mode, portrait mode, and pro mode, giving you plenty of options to play around with. Battery life. Battery capacity. The phone comes with a sizable battery that easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use. Charging speed. Thanks to the 100W charger, the phone can be charged extremely quickly. This is a huge convenience for those who are always on the go and need a quick top-up. Additional features. Fingerprint sensor. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate. Face unlock. Face unlock is also quick, adding to the convenience. Audio. The phone has good quality speakers that provide clear and loud sound. It's great for media consumption and gaming. Comparison with competitors. Now, let us compare the OnePlus Nord CE4 with some of its competitors. Versus OnePlus Nord CE3. Design. The Nord CE4 has a more refined design compared to its predecessor. It looks and feels more premium. Performance. The performance has been improved with a better chipset and more RAM options. Display. The display on the Nord CE4 is superior with a higher refresh rate and better color accuracy. Charging. The 100W charger is a significant upgrade, providing much faster charging speeds. vs. Other mid-range phones. Value for money. The Nord CE4 offers great value for money with its combination of performance, design, and features. Brand trust. OnePlus has built a reputation for quality, and the Nord CE4 lives up to that standard. Unique features. The 120Hz display and 100W charging are features that set it apart from many competitors in the same price range. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is a formidable competitor in the mid-range smartphone market. It offers a sleek design, robust performance, and a beautiful display. The fast charging capability is a game changer, and the overall user experience is very positive. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that offers great value for money, the OnePlus Nord CE4 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching our detailed review of the OnePlus Nord CE4. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the OnePlus Nord CE4 and if you're planning to get one. See you in the next video.